How to use screen pinning feature on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Screen pinning feature is a useful Android feature that locks your phone to a single app, preventing accidental switching or unauthorized access. Here's how you can use it correctly. The very first thing you want to do is enable screen pinning feature. Go to security on settings. Scroll down and find security. Then scroll down and find more security settings. And you can find this allow apps to be pinned option. Make sure this is toggled on and then tap on it to further customize it. Now just go ahead and change this option. You can lock phone after unpinning, which will then allow you to have further access. So what you basically do is just go to your recent apps. Let's say if I want my phone screen to be pinned right here on the screen, tap on the icon, tap on pin this app, and now the app is pinned. Now you can swipe up and hold to unpin, but unless I do that, I'm not able to go to home screen. I'm just able to go around on my settings menu. So if I just go ahead and swipe up and hold, it's gonna unpin the app and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.